live through this. I'm blessed, I'm sanctified. From a bond on the earth is a risk. I'm blessed, I'm sanctified.
Guys, we just got to Sherwin-Williams. Here's my mommy.
No, expose me.
Mom is in a mood today because I was trying to talk to her about something personal and she thinks I'm not taking her advice, but I am, but just not like, you know what I mean, how she wants me to take it, I guess you could say. We're at Sherwin-Williams. I'm gonna look at this paint called Gray Screen or Gray something. Yeah, so we're gonna run in really quick and then yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Mom, can you say hi to the people? Mom is in her mood. She's so mad at me. Guys, we're in Sherwin-Williams. This is the paint. Because it's just the laundry room, so that's not like a big deal, but... Hey. Hey.
Excuse me, I have one question.
Sure.
In reference to your sheen, you know the difference between flat and matte?
No, I don't.
Two different sheens.
Oh, let me see.
Flat is true, really good. You can't wipe it, or the paint come right off the wall.
Okay.
And matte finish, it has a very soft sheen, but you can wipe it like your walls or whatever you can.
Which one would you recommend? It's for the living room.
I would go matte. It doesn't have a lot of shine or shimmer or whatever, but you can at least wipe the wall and you get it.
I don't know why you're so mad at me and I'm your only child. That's how you treat me? Mom, you know I love you, right? Mom, this is the girl that hates me and Carla. Come look at her. Is she kidding me?
You feel chicken and chicken chop.
Not true, my girl. We're waiting. Guys, this is the blue that my mom wants to get. This is the sample that I'm getting. Mom, do you want a sample of this or no?
They want to sample want to paint the place. So you have to go and paint place.
Alright, so I'll just buy it then. I wish you had let me know so I could have told my husband when he was over here. Explaining what's going on. He was smiling at me. Y'all saw that too? Should I go get them done?
Yes, they're nasty looking.
They're not nasty looking. They're just...
So you're a young girl.
You see how my mom plays me? Guys, my nails are like peeling. Mom, so just get this blue? Mom, look again. This is the blue you want? If you guys saw my mom right now. That's all.
What?
See if they have the rollers. I'm gonna put on my coat. Guys, mom's gonna paint the laundry room. That's all her. Mom, come and look now. Mom, I bought you something.
Really?
Now you want to talk to me?
Probably if you say can't take things and touch me.
Sometimes.
You know, like into bubble crap.
Leash, when you get a chance, call me. I want to ask you something. Why didn't Grandma want to talk to me? Huh?
Mama, when you say I want to talk to you, all I do when you yeah. I want to finish it.
The 25th. Today's the 16th. We're splitting the money. I'm a single girl. You have a husband. You and your husband can put together.
Yeah, my husband, they give me the same thing.
Guys, so we just left Sherwin-Williams. My husband was supposed to pay for the paint and she didn't. Okay? She sat there.
And
that's it. We are in a relationship.
No money.
Got that right. I'm glad. Looking in the right area. The guy was really nice though. He gave me 30% off. And
we're going
home. Are we going home? He gave me 30% off and he brought the paint, he walked the paint to my car and put him in the trunk. So when I get home, who's gonna bring in the house? I should ask them that. My husband will bring it in, yeah? Yeah. So now we're going home. Is that the granola that you cursed me out saying you didn't want it? Hey?
Granola my ass. And if your money buy you enough, so you can't tell me what to do. If your money buy you, tell me what to do with it.
Yeah, bro. Mom, I can buy something and give it to you and say anything about it. Oh, you see? Lord, the devil is a liar. All right, guys. So this was a quick vlog, right? I hope you guys see, like, my life is not glamorous or anything. I don't really do anything, but I'm like the maid of the house. I have to move out of my parents' house soon. Not you.
You want to run far come back now, you go. You want to run, go and fly, come back.
You don't want me to move out? If you don't want me to move out,
I can't move out unless me say so.
What if I find a nice guy?
Unless me say so.
But what if I find a nice guy though?
Me the business we want to find.
What if he wants to marry me? He's like, baby, I'll take care of you. Oh, I need to get a tripod.
Come here, do you hear?
And I'm a chauffeur too. I'm the maid, the chauffeur. I'm the dishwasher in the house. I do everything. It's like I live on my own anyway.
You lazy rat. You lazy girl who every day alone in a bed. Now come out of bed till much chocolate.
I'm on vacations. Oh shoot. Let me be. Guys, I have to get a tripod for my car. For my birthday, all I wanted my parents to give me was to clean my car. Did I get that? No. Last year I wanted the same thing.
How dare we do?
God, if I'm single, clearly I'm with you guys. That doesn't count because Dad disowned me like a while ago. That doesn't even business. Dad's like, whatever. That is like, whatever. All right, guys, we're gonna go home right now. Mom's painting. That's one thing I'm not the painter because I paint one wall and I'm tired. But how do I get out?
Follow the traffic.
I wonder if they match a paint for me at Home Depot, how much it is. Because they can match the paint. I'm not gonna pay $67 for another paint. And my husband's not even giving me any money towards it. Please. What kind of husband are you? Huh?
I'm not an argument with you.
Mom, you are my husband. You don't think so? We are together forever.
Not even the runway.
Runway where?
No, no. Not even to come back and see me one day. You don't know where me there.
Mom, you're not running away. Why would you run away? And you love me so much. Mom, you would really run away without me? Oh, this wants me to turn right.
White Horse Pike.
Let me turn now. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
In 1.5 miles, keep right to merge onto Garden State Parkway North.
Why is it letting, oh, it's this thing right here. All right, guys, so we will see you later. We're just heading home. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because nothing exciting is happening. We're just painting and whatever.